Hey you guys, this is Mrs. McPhail. Today we're going to focus on more money problems. Okay, so today, by the way, a piece of paper would be really helpful for this. Mr. Nutty goes to buy 2 packs of pencils and 3 packs of crayons because he's running low. So he goes to the store and they tally it all up and he gives $10. So we're going to work on finding how much change he got back and how we can show it in quarters, dimes, nickels, pennies, and if we have to, also in maybe dollars. I'm just going to write that. Okay, so first things first, he buys 2 packs of pencils. So pencils, each pencil box is $1.49, so we'll have to keep in mind that we need that times 2. And then he also goes and buys 3 packs of crayons. Here's the packs of crayons. They're on sale. Good job, Mr. Nutty. 99 cents, and we have to keep in mind that it's also going to be times 3. So this is a multi-step problem. So the first thing we need to figure out is if he's paying money and we're trying to figure out how much he got back, we kind of got to know how much he spent. So let's go over to this, and we know that $1.49 times 2 is going to be the pencils. So the pencils, $1.49 times 2 packs are going to be, that would be 9 times 2 is 18, going to carry the 1. 2 times 4 is 8 plus 1 would be 9. 2 times 1 is 2. With multiplication, you count how many digits have the decimal. 1, 2. So then you start your decimal over at the answer, and then you bring it over that number of spaces. So 1, 2. So it would be $2.98 would be the total for the pencils. And then we had 3 boxes of crayons. So the crayons were 99 cents each. So I'm going to do 99 cents times 3. You could also add this up if you wanted to. That's fine too. I'm going to multiply. 9 times 3 would be 27. Drop the 7 and I'm going to carry the 2. 3 times 9 is 27, plus 2 would be 29. Same thing with multiplication. We're going to count the number of digits that have the decimal point. So we're going to bring it over to where we'd have the 1 spot on the other side of it. So 1, 2. So we're going to start at the 1 spot and then we're going to bring it back over in the answer. 1, 2. So $2.97 for the crayons. So we need to add those together now. So pencils and crayons together. So we'll do $2.98 plus $2.97. 8 plus 7 is 5. 15, sorry. 1 plus 9 is 10. Plus 9 is 19. Drop the 9, bring the 1 over. 1 plus 2 is 3, plus 2 is 5. Remember with addition and subtraction with decimals, you just bring the decimal straight down. So oh, there it is, $5.95. So this is what he paid, or this is what the total was, I'm sorry. $5.95 is the total for the 2 boxes of pencils and the 3 boxes of crayons. So that's the first part to our problem. So it cost $5.95, and we need to find out how much change he got back, and he pays with $10. Kind of all over here, sorry. So he pays $10 for $5.95. So we're going to write $10, bigger number on top, minus $5.95. Now this is going to be subtracting across 3 zeros, so it's really important that you bring those extra cookies all the way back over to the 1 spot, okay? No, you can't do 5 from 0, so you got to go next door. There's nothing there. Got to go next door. Nothing there. Got to go to the 1. You're going to bring that to a 0 and bring those cookies over to there, but that's going to become a 9. Bring the cookies over to here. That becomes a 9. Bring the cookies over to here. That becomes a 10. You just did subtraction across 3 zeros. Nice job. 5 from 10 would be 5. 9 from 9 would be 0. 5 from 9 would be 4, and we have a 0 on the end. So he would get back $4.05 in change. So we answered that part of the question. And ask yourself if it makes sense. He gets $4.05 back, and he ended up paying $5.95. Well, if you add the 5 cents on, that would bring it to 6 plus $4 would be $10. So how can you show this in quarters, dimes, nickels, pennies, and dollars? Well, if you had to, since it would be $4.05, you could do $1, $2, $3, $4, and 5 cents. Or if you wanted to, you could go on with quarters. You'd have to do 16 quarters, right? Because there's 4 quarters to $1, and then nickels or pennies. So multi-step problems, a lot of fun. They're some of my favorite. Try it in the quiz, and we will see you in class. Bye-bye.